This wild tree hollow hive fell after a strong summer storm. The honeybee colony was living this high up. The colony was damaged after the long fall, but we will salvage what we can and safely rehome them.
That's what's left of the queen. Watch, watch. I'll just hold my hand here and watch. They'll come to my hand. See how they're working that one piece? That's really cool. All this dead bee material all out here, and they're all coming to this one piece. I cut right through the honey there, but this is the top, and that's where they would be expanding to. The honey watering hole